Hey guys, today I'm unboxing G-Edge R1 dual lens dash cam. So where it is, let's do it. All right.
Give it to me like.
It has so many features like front 2K resolution, rear 1080 pixel 2.7-inch LCD color screen, built-in G sensor, parking mode, motion detection, audio recording, and Wi-Fi facilities. The thing is, like, if you need any videos or anything from your cameras, you don't have to plug in your computer. I mean, you can plug in, there's a USB cable inside. You just need to install an app in your phone, and yeah, you can save any videos from there. You can access it from anywhere. So this is cool, I think. So let me take this bad boy show you guys. The resolution is very nice in front and back. I'll put link on the description below, so you can just click on the link and they can buy from there. And the price is 129 and now it's 99, so from Amazon. So this is wonderful, dash cam. You'll be happy. If you don't like it, just return it, so it's not a big deal. So yeah, if you want the smaller dash cam, it might not may work for you, but the dash cam is, like, in my case, I don't mind having a big giant dash cam, because if people see that you have a dash cam, they get intimidated. They will careful how they're talking and their behavior and all, especially the law enforcement and some other stranger you met on the street, or anyone, and they'll be careful, believe me. So I know. I know. So it's good to have the dash cam for your own safety. Let's see what's inside. Okay guys, all right, here's the manual, and this is the main camera here, and with the suction mount cup, and we have rear dash cam here. Okay, so power ball here, so you can put it in your 12-volt, and they have two USB ports, so you can use one for yourself. This is the cable for front camera. One is goes to the cameras and one is to USB port, and this is for rear camera. So this is a small USB cable for for data transfer from your camera to your computer. So it's a small tool that it helps you to keep your cables hiding. And this is some clips. I mean, you don't need it, but they give you extra. You can hang your wire to the clips. Okay, and this is it. I'm installing this camera on my Hyundai Palisade calligraphy SUV. So let's try it on. Here is a memory card, Samsung micro SD memory card. So this camera support up to 156 GB up to, and there is a power button here and the reset button here, and this is the camera. It looks like pretty nice camera. Look how nice it is. Looks like some digital camera, and the picture quality is very nice. Look, you see guys, I just literally it's easy to install. Anybody can install it. So I just put here, and just turn it around, and it's locked, and you can switch. You can from here and here, you can adjust anywhere. So this is pretty style, and this is it. So now we're gonna install cable. So there's a two-way you can do. Either you can use your this one to your 12-volt. You can use also your USB port if you want. So right here, USB, I'm just putting my USB cable here, or you can use this one too easily. And this is the part goes to the camera's part. Here is my memory card. You can just plug in your memory card here. It's a loop recording. 3 minute and 5 minute. You can use a slot, and this is it. And now you can just turn it on. There you go. So this is pretty nice and preparing us to get. Here you go. So we start recording. Pressing this OK here. I can turn off the recording. You can turn on. Okay. So right now you see it's pause here. So it's not recording. So I can turn on record. Okay. You guys see also that there's a few options here, like app download. The first one is app download. You can download from your app store, or you can just press OK button here when you get these options here. Just press OK. So it gave you the barcode. If you put a camera here, so it takes you to download store, so you can download the app from there. Once you download the app, there's a Wi-Fi password. It's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. This is the first time if you're using this app. This is the Wi-Fi password for first time only. You can change it after it anytime. So I will show you how's the apps look like. So now we are just showing this one. So this is scenario mode, and this is like resolution. So it's default is good. So loop recording, I put 5 minutes. You can use it, like say use it for 1 minute, 3 minute. And the way the camera setup is very nice. You don't have to do anything. Like you can just put your memory card in here and just turn on, and you're good to go. If you messed up your settings or anything, there's a reset button here. If you just press one time, it will be default again. So you don't have to worry about the settings and all. So I put default because the way default is very nice and it works itself. And then it's resolution. So it's 1080 pixel and 1296 pixels. So I put the higher one. You can choose whatever you want. Okay. Wide here on. The camera is wide angle, so one is record, it will record like wide. So sensitivity here, screen saver. I'm turning off this one. So yeah, it's annoying. You can turn off, you can turn on. Okay. And volume auto power off. Okay. Format, you can format your SD here. So you insert your new memory card here, it will ask you to format in case is there any bugs or anything. You can format, or you can not to choose format. This is up to you. For 30 days it will ask you to format, but you can turn off anytime. So after 30 days if you need, okay, you can keep like 60 days. But one more thing, if your memory is full, it will record but it won't be saved. Okay. So after 30 days it will give you warning that I'm deleting all the videos you have, and you got an empty memory card. So before 30 days you want to copy or do something, you can just copy or save, or you can maximize to 60 days. You can turn off like manually. You can just copy from your cameras and delete everything. So that's up to you. So that's all from the settings, and now I will show you how the apps looks like. Okay guys, so this is the how app is looks like, guys. So once you have install this app, open this one, enter DBR. So I have to go to the settings and Wi-Fi, and you see there is a G edge with the R1. So when you turn Wi-Fi, your camera is on. So you will see here this network, and then you just need to type your password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and this is first time password. So you can just type in password and join this network, and then go to the here. You can access any videos. Look, right now I can see, look, this is inside the camera. So you see only sky. So you can also see from here. See, you can see from the sky here, or you can take a picture here. You can take a picture. See, you can record this video. tells where the car is, it tells you. Okay, and there's a setting you can change everything from here. There's a sound record. This is nice camera because someone just passed by your car, it will capture. And if something hit your car, you know, it will capture everything. It will capture everything. So this is nice. It's like a Tesla to me. So Tesla does the same thing. They have their own cameras, so it capture everything. So you can change it from here. So this is setting button, you know, see G sensor and everything on the Wi-Fi. So you can change it to your password from here. So this is their Wi-Fi settings, and this is the password. Okay. So the thing is, how can you access your videos from here? So you see. So those all are recorded videos and pictures that we recorded is here. So look, you can download, you can play, you can do whatever you want, you can save, you can share. Look, you can share, you can download. You don't have to have a Wi-Fi to download. You just need to connect to the cameras. Look what it's saying. So we are accessing on the app, and it was saying app is accessing file on TF card. So we're accessing the app here. That's what it's showing. So it's pretty easy. So you can save any videos, you can share, you can, you know, do whatever you want. You can delay it from here, and yeah, you can save it for yourself. Your photos are here. I know. Look, you can. So, and see how wide the camera is. It's really nice. And this is the G Edge logo, and you can turn off and anytime. And this from the settings, and this is the date and the time. You can turn off that too. And see the camera resolution here.